India, with its diverse population and booming tourism industry, often finds itself grappling with cases involving foreign nationals. The legal system, particularly in drug-related offences, has faced scrutiny for its approach towards bail for foreign nationals. Recently, the Delhi High Court delivered a landmark ruling, clarifying that being a foreign national alone cannot be a reason to deny bail in cases under the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act, especially when the accused's passport is seized. This decision marks a significant step towards ensuring a fairer and more just legal system for everyone, regardless of their nationality. It acknowledges that denying bail solely based on one's origin can be discriminatory and disregards individual circumstances. The court emphasized the importance of a case-by-case analysis, taking into account various factors beyond nationality. This ruling has sparked a crucial conversation about the right to a fair trial and the presumption of innocence, principles that form the bedrock of any just legal system. It throws light on the challenges faced by foreign nationals navigating the Indian legal landscape and underscores the judiciary's role in upholding their rights. This essay delves into the details of this landmark ruling, exploring its implications and the broader context of bail provisions in NDPS cases. We'll analyze key cases, examine the reasoning behind the court's decision, and discuss its potential impact on future bail applications. In May 2025, the Delhi High Court set a precedent by granting bail to a Kyrgyz national accused under the NDPS Act. The case involved charges related to possession of cannabis. The court's decision to grant bail, despite the accused being a foreign national, rested on a crucial factor: the seizure of their passport. The court, in its ruling, acknowledged the concerns surrounding flight risk, a common apprehension in cases involving foreign nationals. However, it highlighted that the seizure of the passport effectively mitigated this risk. This meant the accused, without their travel document, would find it significantly difficult to flee the country. Furthermore, the court considered the early stage of the trial as a factor favoring bail. With proceedings still underway, keeping the accused incarcerated for an extended period was deemed unnecessary. This approach aligns with the principle of bail, not jail, favoring personal liberty unless compelling reasons dictate otherwise. This case stands as a testament to the court's commitment to a nuanced and fair approach. It demonstrated that being a foreign national in itself should not be a barrier to securing bail, especially when measures like passport seizure can address concerns about flight risk. This decision has paved the way for a more just and equitable application of bail provisions for all individuals. While the Kyrgyz national's case showcased the court's willingness to grant bail to foreign nationals, it's crucial to understand that each case is assessed on its own merit. The court considers a range of factors, particularly the nature and quantity of drugs involved and the perceived flight risk posed by the accused. A contrasting case from October 2024 highlights this point. The Delhi High Court denied bail to a Belize national, Francis Marion Gegg, apprehended with a significant quantity of heroin categorized as a commercial quantity under the NDPS Act. This distinction is crucial, as cases involving commercial quantities often attract stricter bail conditions due to the gravity of the offense. The court, in Gegg's case, cited the substantial quantity of drugs seized and the potential flight risk as reasons for denying bail. The presence of a large amount of heroin suggested involvement in drug trafficking, a serious offense with stringent legal repercussions. This, coupled with the accused's foreign nationality, amplified concerns about potential attempts to evade trial. This case underscores the court's commitment to a balanced approach. While recognizing the importance of individual rights, it acknowledges the need to consider the nature of the offense and potential threats to the judicial process. The decision to grant or deny bail involves carefully weighing individual circumstances against potential risks to ensure a fair and just outcome. The Delhi High Court's stance on bail for foreign nationals in NDPS cases extends beyond just nationality. The court considers a multitude of factors, ensuring a comprehensive assessment of each case. This holistic approach underscores the judiciary's commitment to fairness and justice, treating each case on its own merits rather than relying on blanket generalizations. An example from January 2025 illustrates this point. The Delhi High Court granted bail to Vikramjit Singh, an Indian national and a former Punjab Additional Advocate General, in a case related to methamphetamine. While this case didn't involve a foreign national, it highlights the court's consideration of factors beyond nationality. The court, in its decision, cited Singh's lack of prior criminal record, his professional standing, and the weak evidence linking him to the drugs as reasons for granting bail. These factors, combined with the option of passport seizure to mitigate flight risk, contributed to the court's decision. This case demonstrates that the court doesn't solely rely on nationality when deciding bail applications. It considers the strength of the evidence, the accused's criminal history, their ties to the community, and their overall circumstances. This individualized approach ensures a fairer and more equitable application of the law, recognizing that each case presents unique circumstances.